See, this is the block diagram of bridge rectifier. Now, listen carefully. From here, the current will start. Let's say first half cycle. Okay, from here, let's say first half cycle, first peak of our cycle started from here. It is coming here. Where it will go here, it cannot. This side, because see, this diode will allow power to flow in only one direction. In the direction of arrow, it will flow. This is the simple principle of diode. So this will not flow, this will flow, and then current will come here. Okay, here capacitor is there, and then it will go to load. See, and then again it is coming back. From here it will go here. Now this side, will it flow? Just guess. No, because this is a high voltage path. Already pressure or resistance is there from this. Voltage resistance is there. So it cannot flow in opposite direction. So it will flow this way, and then it will go back to the so in this way our source. In this way cycle is complete. First half cycle. Here this dotted line from here till here, this is first half cycle. This is what we have seen now. Now in second half cycle, next cycle, what happens? The current will flow in opposite direction, this direction. Okay, from here it will go here. D3 will flow now, not D2, because it is opposite. So D3, and then again it will come to load, and then it will go back to this point again. Now here there is no voltage. This side it is voltage. So it will not flow in opposite direction. No, it will flow in this direction. D4 will flow, and again it will go back to the source. So in both first half cycle and second half cycle, this will flow in downward direction. This is what, from up to down. Anyways, this way going down, this way going down. So you are getting unidirectional flow in your load. It is not going back. Back and forth is happening here. Bridge is used for that. So this is taking care of back and forth, but here we are getting in one direction. So unidirectional. So you got DC. But there is a problem. It is started from 0, then peak, and again 0, again peak and 0. So it is a pulsating DC. It is in one direction, but it is pulsating. It is not constant. Now our purpose is to get a constant flow of DC current. Now what we will do? We will just put this capacitor here. Capacitor. Now very important funda. After putting this capacitor, what will happen? See, now in first half cycle it will flow, but at that junction, at this point, what will happen? This resistance is higher than capacitor. Capacitor has a plates where this charge voltage can go, and this energy, think in terms of energy, this energy will be stored on that plate. So it has a low resistance path. So what is happening? This will get charged. The current will not flow there. Current always flows to low resistance path. Now from 0 it will start till here. From here to here, this will charge. Capacitor will charge. Okay, the energy will be stored in the capacitor. After this point, what happens? After this point, the resistance of both the things will become equal. Okay, its capacity to hold electrons will exhaust. Then that current will flow to load. Okay, so now this current is not accepted by this. Till this point it was accepted by it, so it was flowing to capacitor. Here no current. Till then no current in load. From here it will start and go to peak. Then current will flow to load. See this bold line till here. Okay, till this point, till it comes to this curve, till this point. Now what happened? See, this is also charging little bit, and here also, because the resistance was same, so same kind of current will flow. So here also current flow, here also it is charging, but here at this point what is happening? The charge on this, or voltage level of this, or energy level of this and this will become equal. But main point, our voltage level, the energy level of source is going down afterwards. It is going down because our curve is going down. We have seen the AC cycle. So what? This will stop because it has already done its job till this point. See, it will stop energy from the source because source has depleted. You got less voltage there, so it will not be catered. This load will not be catered by load. Then from where this current came? This current is coming from this charged capacitor. Interesting, right? So current is not coming from source, current is coming from here because till this point it got charged, it had charges, and from this point it will discharge. This straight line, slope line, is capacitor. C charges, capacitor current. Again here C will charge, okay, is this peak. So till here it will discharge. See, C discharges, here it is given. From this point to this point, capacitor will discharge and it will provide energy. So you are getting uninterrupted current from this point. Okay, first from source up to some extent till this capacitor charges fully, and then when it depletes, its voltage level goes down, then capacitor will discharge, and again you know the current path you know. Now at this point again what happens? The next half cycle will come into picture. This is discharging, but here this thing changes. The equation changes here because here again we got high voltage. Till this point it will again charge here. Capacitor is charged till this point already. So from here it will again start charging. So again the voltage level will rise because of in second half cycle it will go to peak, right? So current will flow to source from this circuit as well as from this circuit till this will come to peak. Again same thing is happening. So this is also getting charged. Current is also going through our load. So till this peak current will go from source. After this point again same thing is happening. Same is repeating. Again capacitor is discharged. So this bold line we are getting the output, but here pulsating, it is pulsating, but it is somewhat stable DC power. Okay, if you want more stable, what will you do? Tell me. You will again use another capacitor. Okay, so you will use bigger filter. This is a single capacitor filter. You will use more filters and then it will be filtered to straight line. There will be very minute, or there will be, I will not say no, but there will be very minute pulsation, or what you call it, the distorted line, but that much is okay because our equipments will not come to know that it is pulsating at micro level. So in this way this bridge rectifier works. You got it, right?